my friends, it is me again. I'm back. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So if you would have seen in my last video, I made those little mochi inspired squishies. So adorable, but again, I had some pink paint left over and I was not going to let that go to waste. I remember though that I did get this comment a few weeks ago, so I'll put it on screen right now, about making a strawberry squishy. And this design I tried a couple of weeks ago. I was halfway through it and I ended up popping the cling film design after I made it, and I was so annoyed. So I thought I needed to redeem myself and make this squishy again, just how I imagined it would be. So today we are making a strawberry squishy from cling film and the polyester stuffing. This is my favorite way to make squishies at the moment because it's so quick, it's so budget friendly, and it's easy to make as well. And not only that, these are very satisfying. I say it all the time, like paper squishies are fun because they are cheap, they're easy to make, they're quick, whatever, but they're not actually that satisfying to squish. These squishies, however, are, and I absolutely love them. If I can get just one person making one of these over the summer holidays or whatever, then my job is done because these are great. So in order to make the squishy, what you're going to need is some cling film, you're going to need some polyfill, and this can be taken one from just a bag of polyfill, toy stuffing, or just cutting open a pillow. That's what I do. I buy them from Tesco, I cut them open, use the stuffing inside them to make squishies. So you want to take a bit of that stuffing, put it in the cling film and shape it out like a strawberry. You might need to rewind this video and actually watch that back a little bit, but I do show it and how I kind of grab the cling film and pull it over around those edges out, twizzle it around at the bottom, stick it down, and yeah, just get all of that tape on the back. You'll then need to paint your piece after you've got the first layer of cling film on there. I use acrylic paint mixed with fabric medium, mixed with PVA glue for my designs, and again, you would have seen me just do that. I absolutely adore how this turns out. You then need all of that paint to dry. You'll need to cover it in another layer of cling film just to protect all of that paint, and then in order to improve the airflow to be, giving you a slow rising squishy, you're going to need to take a needle and stab your whole piece all the way around just so that you got some little air holes in there. Okay, so with all the holes in it now, this little baby is complete. I'm so happy I've done a strawberry. Hopefully I gave a shout out to the person who requested a strawberry because I was already working on this little baby when I got that comment through. But either way, hopefully you like how this one's turned out. I think it's so cute. I love the little mouth on there as well. It's definitely a little bit of a different touch, like it's got lips around the cute mouth. So squishiness wise, yes, I already felt like this was going to be a good one. I feel like I did the final layer really, really tight on it, so I knew it was going to squish well. And look at that. I'm still so obsessed with making these cling film squishies. Like, these are not getting old to me. You could just make so many cute things so quickly. And the squishiness and satisfyingness of the squish is just so good, especially compared to paper. Paper squishies, obviously, they are quick and easy to make as well and budget friendly, but the satisfyingness of them isn't quite there. But these, I'm loving it. I'm just, having a ball. So if you have any requests for future squishy videos, whether they're cling film ones, memory foam ones, paper ones, or whatever type, or any other cute crafts you would like to see me try, then definitely leave them in the comments down below, as I do read them all. But with all that being said, hopefully you have a fantastic day. Enjoy watching the video, and I shall see you very soon for another one. Bye.